Ladies and gentlemen, it's the one and only Connie Talbot.
Skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. When troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops, that's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh why can't I?
Connie Talbot. Wow. I'm gonna get down on my knees, Connie, because we want a little chat with you. That was great. Is that your favourite song?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why is it your favourite?
Because my nan used to sing with me.
Did she?
All the time.
Now, it's been quite a week for you, Connie, isn't it? You're really famous now. You've been on telly and everything. Have you had to start signing autographs now? Who have you been, who have you been signing autographs for?
Had to sign cheeky bits.
For the cheeky
For the
bits?
cheeky bits?
That's right.
That's fantastic. And I know there was something special you wanted to say, wasn't there, Connie? Go ahead.
I wanted to say Happy Father's Day to my dad.
That's lovely. That's nice.
That's my dad.
There he is. There he is.
There he is. Gary, did you buy him a card?
No.
No, you've changed, you have. Changed. What do you think of Judge's Piers?
Connie, I've got a big problem with you tonight. You've been very naughty. Very, very naughty. Do you know why? You keep making Amanda cry. You keep making her cry, and you've got to stop it. It's because your voice is so lovely, she keeps crying. All right? So stop it.
She said to me today in the corridor, she said, I'm going to make you cry.
Did you?
And I said, you're not. You won't. I'm going to be strong tonight. Well, I wasn't. I was rubbish.
She was crying
and I
within
cried
10
again.
seconds, Connie.
Exactly.
Now, look, Connie, the thing about you is people think you're just a little 6-year-old who sings OK. You don't just sing OK. You sing beautifully. And everyone loves your voice. And you are, as you know, you are the favourite to win tonight. And it's going to take something incredibly special to beat you. Incredibly special.
I mean, I think I've said it. You've turned me into an emotional wreck.
Do you want some Kleenex or something?
Yes, I will have some Kleenex in a minute. You've got the sweetest voice, and I listened to every single word you said. You're so mature for your age, I can't get over it. You're super talented, as Simon would say. Brilliant.
Connie, I'm very, very proud of you tonight, sweetheart, because, you know, when you can create this kind of, like, incredible silence when you sing, it's because everyone's listening to every word. And, you know, I always said, once again, I want to talk to you like an adult, and I want to say to you, not only you're a great singer, you've got guts. You're brilliant.
Thanks, judges. And, Connie, you enjoy it, don't you? You love it. She loves singing. Well done.
If Connie is your winner, the number to call is 09011 322205. But the lines will not open till the end of the show. Give her a big hand one more time, everybody. Connie Talbot!